Hello, welcome to the Math tab of my website. If you're here, you might be interested in the challenge of Math 24. Math 24 is a fast-paced number calculation game. Many students enjoy playing it in their free time, but also they do it here at our school for extra challenge, and many opt to do our building tournament. Excellent. With Math 24, you use all numbers on the card, any order, any operation, to make the number 24. 6s and 9s can be tricky. If it's colored in red, it is a 9. Tournament style is where a player taps the card using 1, 2, or 3 fingers. They don't like whack it or anything. They tap it. They give their final fact, the last operation they did to make 24, and then they explain their whole solution, wrapping up again with their final fact. If they do that in a short time, technically 15 seconds, they have solved the solution tournament style and they've earned that card and it goes into their pile. For tournaments, we play in rounds and you stack up your cards as you go, and at the end of the round we calculate the score. Anyway, it is an excellent challenge and I hope you will enjoy watching some of my 4th grade friends demonstrate Math 24 single digit tournament style. Alright, here we go. Round 1 begins.
Final fact, 12 times 2. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 12 times 2 equals 24.
Well done. And if people make mistakes in Math 24 cards, as long as they fix them right away, it is just fine. Not a big deal. If they get all the way to the end and don't correct their solution, they might get a penalty cube. Next card.
Final fact, 24 times 1 equals 24. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 times 1 equals 24.
That is your card.
Final fact, 12 times 2. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. 24 times 1 equals 24.
Except I have to take away that card and I would have to give you a penalty cube because you said your original final fact was 12 times 2 and then when you solved it you went to 24 times 1. That's all correct math, but you have to start with the final fact and end with the same final fact. No big deal. This card will go back in the deck and it might come up again and you might tap it then. Good luck, players.
Final fact, 10 plus 14 equals 24. 2 times 7 equals 14. 5 times 10 equals 10, or 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 plus 14 equals 24.
And you fixed your mistake, so that is your card, and you have yourself a 3-dotter. All right. Here we've got a 2-dotter. Notice the 2 red dots in the corner. The more dots, the more challenging the card is supposed to be.
Final fact, 6 times 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 1 is 18 plus 6 would be 24, and I would times the 24, make 1.
Yes, you would. This is a challenging game. Again, we've got to have that final fact right away, and our final fact with this one would be 18 plus 6 is 24. I'll put this one back in the deck, and we'll see what happens when it comes up again.
I would say that 8 times 3 is 24. 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 8 times 3 is 24.
Nicely done. That's your card. I'm wondering if someone's looking at this 8 and trying to make his friend 3. I'm wondering.
6 times 4 equals 24. That's my final fact. 6 times 1 equals 6. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 6 times 4 equals 24.
Well done. Notice what this player did. They focused on the 6 and tried to make his friend 4. Another strategy would have been to focus on the 8 and try to make his friend 3. Both strategies worked because remember, for every face of every card there are at least 4 solutions. Fluency, that is your card. Next card.
Final fact, 14 plus 10. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 14 plus 10 equals 24.
Hey, nice playing. That's your card, but I just have to take a moment here. This card would also work for the friendship of 8 and 3, because what we have here is 1 away, double number. Okay, I totally made that up, but just go with it. 8 times 3, they're friends, but we have 8 times 2. He's only 1 away, but we've got a double number. Another strategy we could use is go 8 times 3 is 24. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. But your solution was excellent as well. Great math, guys. I believe we saw this card before with an 18 plus 6, but I bet it could also be solved with a 6 times 4, because if you focus on this 6, you can make his friend 4. Let's hear your solution.
Final fact, 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 times 1 equals 18. 18 plus 6 equals 24.
Well done. That's your card. All right, Math 24 players, good tournament. What do we say to one another?
Good game.
Good game.
Good game,
It's a very
because
good
sportsmanship is part of the game. See you later.
Games.